One person injured in Scotiabank ATM explosion. More than $12 million loss estimated. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have confirmed that a man was injured during an explosion at an automated teller machine ATM section of the Scotiabank branch in Port Antonio, Portland on Saturday morning. He is currently in a hospital receiving treatment.
We caught it in the morning in Port Antonio. Take a look at it. Scotiabank. It's gone. Well mash up. Remember the video. Well mash up. Take a look at it. This is Scotiabank. The fireman in here. Scotiabank. Well mash up.
Meanwhile, the police said that investigators are now following strong leads and expect to make a breakthrough in short order. The cause of the explosion has not yet been ascertained. However, criminal activity is suspected. Officers said that the initial estimated loss is assessed to be in excess of $12 million. A section of the bank branch which houses two ATM was also destroyed in an explosion approximately 4:10 a.m. on Saturday morning. On arrival of officers, they observed smoke and fire coming from the front of the building. Further investigation revealed that two ATM's machines were destroyed during the explosion. The Port Antonio Fire Department was contacted and a team of firefighters responded and extinguished the blaze. The police said that a high-level probe is currently being conducted by members of the police party. In the meantime, individuals with information can assist the police. Investigators can contact the police at 119-311 or the following numbers for the Operation Office, the Port Antonio CIB or the Port Antonio Guard Room. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.